Hey guys!
Hi everyone, welcome to the channel.
We are on day 2 of our adventure, which takes us to where, guys?
Where are we?
Cadbury World. Yeah? We are going to stuff our faces with
chocolates.
chocolates, aren't we, Eva? Yeah, what are you looking forward to?
Chocolate.
Chocolate! Lots of chocolate. Should we go inside?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go.
Oh, I could get used to this.
So we are now inside of Cadbury World, as you can tell, with the big sign here. They do temperature checks a little bit different here. They don't have to scan you with the guns. They have like a big camera up at the top that takes temperature as you go in, which is really good. Timed entrance, and we're heading in now to start the tour. Are you excited?
Very.
Very excited.
Chocolate.
It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive. It's a good day to be alive.
So Angela's just been given the title of Keeper of Chocolate.
Yeah.
Can I quickly show him?
Yeah, go on then. I have a lot of So the kids have been given Fredo and Friends treasure hunt to fill it in. And apparently if we hand it in at the end, they'll get a little prize. So we have to find Fredo and his friends and solve the clues to unlock the treasure.
So we are starting the tour at the Aztec Jungle, and I am currently next to this sign to try and get some light. But the beginning part of the tour is Aztec Jungle. Have you already mentioned about the kids thing? Yeah, right, okay, cool.
We have found the first clue. It's Fredo. Now we've figured it out. It's the names of the friends. So we found Fredo first, and now we've got to find the rest of his friends.
Ready to live, ready to live. Like a dove, I fly away. Now's the time, today's the day. Now it begins, now it begins. Now it begins, now it begins. This is gonna be a good day. Rolling on like the thunder, with open eyes full of wonder. It's a good day. It's a good day to be alive.
So we've just come out of the theatres.
There's so much fun.
Theatres.
So much fun. The kids were laughing their heads off.
Yeah.
That was brilliant.
And then this is a good bit that we saw last time that we really enjoyed, which is how they make all the chocolate. So this is roses. And then you've got like cream eggs, the Easter eggs. What's this one? Buttons.
Buttons.
Look at all the buttons. So yeah, nice little colour. Everyone passes this. I've never
I never
understand
understand it. I like watching them be made.
Shovel them in my mouth right now.
Well, there you go. There's the conveyor belt. Let it continue. What do you think so far, guys? Because you haven't been in this since, have you?
Sorry. No, really enjoyed it.
Did you not expect it?
Sudden
I was
movement.
like, gosh, you need to film them, they're not going to know it's coming. You happy that we found the third one, Ant?
I want the prize.
You want the prize.
getting the prize.
You mean you want the prize for Eva?
Yeah.
Yeah, that. Third one. Paddy the penguin. And that is a tempering machine. Heading round into the chocolate area. This is where we get to watch them mould chocolate.
We'd show you, but we've got a really fancy seat because like far away. But
We came in late.
we came in late, yeah, exactly. So there's a lot of stuff on the wall there, and then they're just showing us how to make chocolate.
But do you know what Ollie's most excited about?
What?
The Titanic picture.
Yeah, the Titanic, and according to the chocolate train.
The chocolate in this room as it is recycled, so it will give you a bad tummy ache. So what would happen then is the ladies would push their chocolates to the end of the bench, and they would get paid depending on whether they were sellable or not, and that is where the piecework came from.
We're heading around into the have a go area where we get to write stuff in chocolate, which is very exciting for everyone. So.
Cheers. Eva had an accident, she put her elbow in it.
It's not really an accident though, is it?
No, she people's
She's
elbow
not
with
chocolate. She's
chocolate.
got chocolate on her, isn't she? We found number 4. It's Oz the panda.
Let's go there. Oz the panda. We found it, Ollie. Oz the panda. Was that fun? Yes. You got your name in chocolate. Whoa. Come on in.
So we're now at the photograph area where you just select a scene, grab some props, strike a pose, and then you can buy your pictures. We are going to do that today. We're not going to do that today. I think it's the Cadabra ride next.
Cadabra? Abra?
Yeah. It's the one that reminds us of Figment.
Imagination. Eva, did you like Cadabra?
Yeah.
The ride?
Yeah.
What was, Ollie, did you like it?
Yeah.
What did you like about it?
It was the cold cactus.
The what?
The cold
The
cactus.
cold cactus.
Yeah.
What did you like, Eva?
I love the beans.
The beans.
Yeah.
Lots of beans. What about you guys?
Can
What
we
did you
go
like about
to the
Cadabra?
park?
It was amazing. It was amazing. Full of beans.
It's dead bright and colourful.
I apologise for this man.
It's dead bright and colourful. It kind of reminds me of Figment because it's got like a glow in the dark area.
We're going, yes, I know, the kids have spotted that there's a playground that's out there. But we've still got lots to do before then because we're heading into the chocolate making part.
I've gone for Oreo and buttons. And what have you gone for, guys?
Fudge and buttons.
Fudge and buttons. Let's see. Okay. Is it good? Is yours good, Kate? Really good. You enjoying yours?
Delicious. What have you got, Mum?
I've gone for Oreo and buttons. Is that good? Ollie, is that thumbs up? So we've come out to the chocolate making area and we've just tempered this chocolate.
Can you do that? Can you do that? Look at that.
Wait on the moulds. And there the chocolate beans go.
So that's a cool little experience, isn't it?
Yeah.
So first of all, eat chocolate, which is always good.
Liquid chocolate we mix in, so.
And then it shows you how to make a chocolate lolly.
It did. We missed him.
What was it called?
I don't know. We missed one, we gotta go back.
We'll back, 1 minute. I'm Jet the pig. You can't forget about Jet the pig.
What?
Can't forget about Jet the pig.
Can't forget Jet the pig.
Can't forget Jet the pig. But look at all these like little cool little chocolate beans. Look at them all. We always get one of these, don't we? Because that's what they make when they're here. So we just watch them make this chocolate lolly.
Yeah, Ollie has asked for a white chocolate one this time. Had a milk chocolate last time, he's asked for a white chocolate this time. Time to head into Advertisement Avenue.
Let's go!
We like this bit, don't we?
Yes.
Reminiscing about
That's
old
it.
adverts.
It just reminds me of Coronation Street.
Yeah, when they made our
Exactly,
chocolate.
that's it. Well, not just that, the adverts, like when they used to sponsor Cadbury.
So each window has adverts from the past. We'll show you a few now. So we're now coming into the bit that the kids are going to absolutely love. Even jump on the chocolates! Jump on the chocolates!
Get them all! Get them!
has just found it. It's a sky beyond. And with that, this is complete, and we'll show you what prize we get in a minute. We are in the biggest Cadbury shop in the world, apparently.
That interactive area is so good for kids.
Oh, so good. The kids have had so much fun running around.
Yeah.
We only showed you a small sliver of how much fun they had.
And now we have to try and get out of this bit without either this one buying much.
No, I'm not buying anything.
Little
I just
kids
want a chocolate bean for
getting
Ollie.
their grubby hands all over things.
Just a chocolate bean for Ollie, that's all.
Just a chocolate bean.
Let's show you the shop.
So we have now finished, and in the shop, £11.60, so it's not too bad.
Yeah, we got Sour Patch Kids.
Sour Patch Kids, as you do.
As you do from Cadbury World.
Yep.
But they're good. We got cocoa beans, mini ones,
Yep, and the
And a
little
big
white
bean.
one that they made.
that Ollie wanted, yeah.
And now we're heading down to the 4D
Oh,
cinema
and he got a little cream egg car.
and a bite to eat. We are now doing our 4D chocolate experience in the 4D cinema, all the 4D chairs. Again, we can't record it, but just to give you an idea what it's like in here quickly. So you've got these chairs.
What's wrong on the roller coaster?
Did we?
A big one. It was so high.
4D cinema's so good here. Did it
It's
make
good.
you feel a bit ill?
Oh, it wasn't too
No.
bad.
We got a centre this time, and I thought that might be a bit better.
Yeah, so the 4D is not like your other ones. This one, like your chair moves all around as you're like going through the scenes.
Yeah, each individual chair moves.
Yeah.
It's brilliant.
And then we get to see all the characters that are laughing behind us now when you come out.
Yeah,
They're
laughing.
brilliant. They're so good.
Senorita, please. My name is Alberto Humberto Sergio Gonzalez Ramiro Alvaro Rafael Gabriel Ricardo Gustavo Arturo Javier Eduardo Carlos Smith. But you can call me Bob.
So now that we've finished in the 4D theatre, we've come over to the African Adventure play area, which is a nice little play area behind us. Actually little, it's quite a big play area, and the dads are having more fun than the kids right now, so let's go in.
Is that last bend?
So the kids are running round, dads are climbing. Eva and Anthony have been down the giant slide. Ollie chickened out, bless him. And Gaz is too tall, so he couldn't do it.
And just like that, today's adventure is done.
Yay, it's been a fun day, hasn't it?
Yeah.
We enjoyed it, yeah?
Yeah.
What have you enjoyed most?
The playground.
What about you?
I love the big playground.
The big
You love
playground.
the big playground and all the
Yeah.
chocolate. Yeah?
It's been an all-round.
I love the big ground and all the chocolate too.
Did you?
It's been an all-round fun day. Up in the top corner there, that is the last time we came to Cadbury World. That was back in September last year. Down at the bottom, that's for you new guys. If you have not checked out our channel before, click on that. It takes you to the channel. If you like what you see, hit the subscribe button.
We did
Until next time, guys.
Catch you on the next adventure.
Catch you later.
Bye.
Give everyone a wave. Bye.